Sales load orders have been enhanced in 2024 R2 with a few different features. One of the new features is the ability to create a load order without a load request. We've also added the ability to clear the customer contract without clearing the customer, without changing the customer account. And we've also added the ability to cancel a load without requiring a reason code. Let's look at that first feature. So to navigate to load orders, we go to Modules, Commodity Accounting, and that is an outbound, and it is under Load Order Assignment. So all these features have been added to the Load Order Assignment screen. One of the things we can do here now as a new feature is you need to see this new button that says New Load. So you can make a new load here from this screen on the fly. So let's go ahead and create one. So we hit new load, and we can create the load number. I am just going to do a test load number 1211, and we can say what customer should have this, or what customer this load is for. And let's say it's going to our Bjorkman Farms Land and Cattle. The ship to address, let's just do one load of 25 tons. We can say the delivery date is tomorrow, and we're going to ship it tomorrow. Again, the ship date, delivery date, which contract we are going to use. I happen to have a corn contract here, and it's going to be a corn load order. You can specify the shipping carrier if you know it. I'm going to just leave it blank in this example, and hit create. So now you notice, without going through load request, we have created a load on the fly. Test 111 is our load number, just as we created. So again, that new feature is to create that load order on the fly. Now we've added two more things to that load order feature. One is the ability to clear the contract without clearing out the customer, without changing the customer. So here's an example of one here with a load order. Notice that this load number here is tied to this sales contract. So let's just see what we've done. We can hit select that load, and we can change the sales contract. So we're going to just click that, and you notice now that we have added two options here to that pop-up. One is to remove the sales contract and the customer. In other words, this customer isn't going to get this load, and so obviously then neither is the contract. Or we can just remove the contract and maybe put it on a different contract at a later time. So these are the new features that have been added. We're going to hit remove and hit update. And the system processes the information, and now you'll notice this load number is no longer still to the same customer, but it's no longer applied to that sales contract. We've also added the ability to cancel a load without a reason code. So let's take a look at how easy that is. So I have a cancel load, so I'm going to select that same load, and I'm going to hit cancel. And just like that, the load order has been canceled. It did not ask for a reason or require a reason code. And that's because we've added two new settings to the commodity configuration. Under commodity accounting, we'll look at that setup. Under setup, commodity accounting parameters. And then we have brought to the commodity accounting parameters screen, and under the loads tab, we have added two new settings around those reason codes for why you would cancel a load. Now, as you noticed, I had turned the cancel reason off, and I did not require it. But you can have any combination of these two settings. You can have the cancel reason on, and then or you can have the cancel reason to yes, and then you could require a reason or not requiring. Anyway, these two new settings have been added as part of the sales load order enhancement part of Levridge 2024 R2. And finally, the ability to cancel a load based on the settings to enable the cancellation reason and or require the cancellation reason as set up in the commodity accounting parameters.